Hello kids, welcome to your GK class. Today from our book GK Planet, we will read lesson number 3. Let us celebrate on page number 9. The objective of this class is to discuss about different festivals that are celebrated in our country. Kids, India is a land of diversity, which means people from all different religions are found here. We can see Hindus, Sikhs, Muslims, Christians, Jains, etc. in our country, and they live very peacefully in India. They have their own languages, cultures, beliefs, artworks, dance forms, and festivals which they celebrate with great pomp and show. So kids, before starting with our chapter, we should know what is a festival. A festival means a time to have fun. In India, we celebrate 3 types of festivals: national festivals, harvest festivals, and religious festivals. Number 1, we have national festivals. The festivals that are celebrated by the whole nation. For example, Gandhi Jayanti, Republic Day, Independence Day, etc. Number 2, harvest festivals mean the festivals that are celebrated when crops are cut. For example, Lodi, Pongal, Baisakhi, etc. And number 3 is religious festivals. The festivals that are celebrated by people from different religions. For example, Diwali, Eid, Durga Puja, Gurpurab, etc. So kids, in this chapter, we will discuss about religious festivals only. So, number 1 we have Holi. Holi is also known as the festival of colors. It is celebrated by Hindus and Sikhs. It comes in the month of March, and on this day people play with colors, water balloons and water guns. They eat gujia, rasmalai, other sweets and drink thandai on this festival. In India, Vrindavan is famous for its Holi celebrations, and kids, people worship Lord Vishnu on this day. Second festival we have Eid. Eid is also known as the festival of brotherhood. It is celebrated by Muslims. It is celebrated after 1 month of fasting called Ramzan. On this day, people go to mosque to offer namaz, means prayers. People eat sevaiyan on this day. Kids, Mecca is famous for its Eid celebrations, and people worship Allah on this day. Third festival we have is Diwali. Diwali is also known as the Festival of Lights. It is celebrated by Hindus and Sikhs. It is celebrated in the month of October or November. On this day, people lit earthen lamps in their houses and burn crackers. But we should not burn crackers as they are not environment friendly. They pollute our environment. On this day, people eat sweets, dry fruits, and chocolates. Amritsar is famous for its Diwali celebrations in India. People worship Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha on this day. Number 4 is Lodi. It marks the end of winter season in India. It is celebrated by both Hindus and Sikhs. It is celebrated in the month of January. On this day, people light a holy bonfire and gather around it to offer grains and nuts to express the gratitude towards God for successful harvest. On this day, people eat gachak, revari, groundnuts, dry fruits, etc. Punjab is famous for its Lodi celebrations in India. People worship holy bonfire on this day. Next, number 5, we have Christmas. It is celebrated on the birthday of Jesus Christ on 25th December every year, and it is celebrated by Christians. On this day, people go to church and sing carols in praise of Lord. People eat cakes, muffins, chocolates on this day. In India, Goa is famous for its Christmas celebrations, and people worship Jesus Christ on this day. So kids, as we have discussed about different religious festivals, now solve the exercise given in your book with the help of the help box given in the book. Also, revise this chapter thoroughly and do the worksheet given in SNAP homework. Till then, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.